We're making microwave brownies.
Okay. Because this is the only way I'll remember it.
Huh? You want the recipe for it?
Yeah.
Okay, well, yeah, I'm going to have to... This one's almost done. You need to wait until I start a new one.
This is Stephanie's?
Yeah. Mmm. Oh, it smells so good. Not enough space on this counter.
You're like the chef of all chefs.
It's a microwave.
So listen, I need to hire Jene as my personal planner when I finally really, really make money.
You're personal chef.
Yeah.
You want some pickles?
That's right.
No.
I don't need a career change. I'm just going to work it out until Tony gets to be like a millionaire.
We need to do something here. Because she's so organized all the time.
Jene is?
Yes, I love that. She just, okay, here's what we're going to do. Boom, there's a plan. Don't let Tony make a plan, because then they'll be like, well...
That's like the greatest way that I deceive people, is people usually think that I'm organized.
Are you deceiving?
Are you still making the brownies?
Yes, don't rush it.
Yeah, and you have to mix them.
Oh.
Okay, so Stephanie is getting chocolate chips.
You getting chocolate chips in yours and peanut butter?
No, she just did chocolate chips.
Are you going to microwave this?
I have this recipe memorized. I can't believe it.
Sure, it's okay.
But I've got to go out to my car and get that mug from Erin, because that would be perfect for a brownie, and Jene needs to use it.
Oh, right, the one you got last night. Yeah, the green one. Okay.
Yeah. So it'll be perfect for a brownie.